Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add annotations in the video. So this is the video that we have to edit and we want to add annotations in this part here. Okay. So to add the annotations, you have options here in Camtasia annotations. When you click on that, then the first option is annotations. Second option is annotations of arrows. Third is basic shapes. You can add here some different abstract or bold. Okay. And here are, you wanna crop it, you can blur it, or you can fix a spotlight, highlight, anything. And here are the markings and all. Okay, so to add the annotations, any kind of annotations, you just select, drag and drop. Okay, and if you want to delete it, select and delete. For example, I am adding this one, okay, select and drag. So let's suppose I want to add this till here only, okay, and I don't want this annotation to come in this frame. So what I would do is I'll just keep my cursor over here and I can resize the duration of this annotation. Okay, so till here. Okay, so I select it and resize it. Okay, now you can see it's not there. Okay, and after adding, if you want to add something over here, you want to add the text, you can add it. Okay, you can resize it, you can change this pointer, like this, and you can change the color of this text also, like this. So guys, this way you can add the annotations in Camtasia. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.